you're looking for a banana bread that is super simple, super healthy, and super moist, you come to the right place. Let's go and make it. So we are mixing some really amazing ingredients into this, and to have that in the mornings, the kids love it, adults love it, and it's so super spongy and just so nice. We are of course having some wonderful organic bananas, and it is super filled with nutrients. And you do not want to eat bananas and sit on the couch, so eat bananas and get your body moving and go out, play, laugh, do something fun. But then this is such an amazing source of nutrients. So the pores on the banana is something that will attract a lot of pesticides. So all those nasty things will just go straight through the skin, into your banana, ruin the whole thing. So choose wisely and choose organic. So the next thing is that we will have this amazing flour, which is filled with nutrients. You can of course use the flour that you want, but I am making this with a spelt flour, and the original name is Kulmer root corn, and it is so amazing. And it's not to be mistaken with the spelt flour that you will have in a normal grocery store, because those are not that great, and this is so filled with benefits. So really choose a flour that will fuel your body and get the building blocks that you will need, and it will just be so amazing for you. And the other things that we will have to sweeten it with, we have the bananas of course, but we will also have maple syrup. And this is also so good. So you want to have natural, nice food, and you could probably also use honey for this, but I will have the maple syrup. I just love the smell of it, and it just is so amazing. And you want to have some nice extra virgin coconut oil. This, oh my god, this smells so good. And also to have in it, you will have this, and this is oat sour cream. You do not want to have dairy, no, from a lot of different reasons, but this is really so good. And another thing that is so amazing in this bread is this powder. And this is arrowroot, if I'm pronouncing it right. Arrowroot. It is amazing, and it really makes your bread so super sponge. And the arrowroot is of course a root, and it's filled with benefits, amazing benefits. And it was actually before used as medicine, but you do not want to skip this one, you want to have this in. And then we'll have some baking soda, we will have some vanilla, and we will have some cinnamon, of course silent cinnamon, because the other cinnamon, that is just not something that you want to have. If you look up how they actually make cinnamon, you want to choose silent cinnamon. And then we will have a little pinch of Himalayan salt. I don't know if you can see it, but also to sprinkle the bread after, I use pumpkin seeds. You can also probably use chocolate chips if you want. That would just, but for now I'm choosing this one. So I will tip the camera in and let's get started how to actually prepare everything and bring all the nice stuff and some magic and some sparkles, and this is such a keeper. So let's go.